Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be doing a holiday eyeshadow tutorial. Merry Christmas Eve. I believe I'm going to post this on Monday, which is Christmas Eve, or is Tuesday Christmas Eve? I'm not sure, but I just wanted to, before we get started into this really quick tutorial, I wanted to say hi and wish you guys a really happy holiday. I probably won't see you for like a week because I'm going to be home for the holidays while you're watching this. I'm going to try to vlog when I'm there, but no guarantees. And then I'm going to come back and I'm actually going to visit a friend in New York City for Christmas Eve. So again, I'm not really going to have time to film. Maybe I can film a video next week when I get back, but like I said, no guarantees. So this might be the last time I see you for like a week. So if it is, hi and bye, and I hope you have a fantastic holiday. Take some time off, relax, give your eyes a break from watching YouTube, and, we'll come back and have a good time after. It'll be nice for me to have some time away too because life has just gotten so stressful lately and I need a break myself. It might sound contradictory because I haven't been posting as many videos as I usually do, so hearing me say I need a break might sound kind of annoying, which I understand, but my life has been so crazy. That's why I haven't had so many videos up, so I do need a break. Today we're going to be doing kind of like a Christmassy holiday eyeshadow tutorial. I'm using the James Charles palette with Morphe and the Jaclyn Hill palette with Morphe. Let's do it. So from the James Charles palette, we're actually only using one shade. We're only using one from Jaclyn too. So James Charles palette, we're using this matte cranberry shade right here on a fluffy blending brush, tapping off the excess, and this is going into our crease. I start at the outer corner, and then once most of the pigment is off, I will start traveling towards the inner part of the eye. Now the shade's really pigmented and beautiful. It's like a really pretty cranberry, and it's just got a lot of color to it, so just be a little bit careful. This is just one dip into that pan, and it, you know what I mean? Like, that's a lot of color. Again, this is going to be a really easy tutorial. I'm going in with another blending brush, a little bit more dense, and I'm going into Morphe Jaclyn Hill, and I'm taking the darkest cranberry shade in the palette, getting that on my brush, tapping the excess off, and I'm tapping this into the outer corner and lash line. And I'm going to try to build it up as much as I can. It's a pretty similar color, just a little bit darker. Once I tap off most of the product, then I start to blend. I'm wearing Kylie Leo on the lips, and then on top of it, I have one of the Too Faced Melted Metallics. Melted Matte Metallics, and this one is in the shade I Want to Rock With You because Leo by Kylie Cosmetics is patchy. That's annoying. So I had to go in with something to kind of cover up that patchiness. Then we're doing the same thing. I don't know why I keep doing this, but we're doing the same thing. Where's my concealer? The same thing we've been doing in my last two tutorials, which is a half cut crease. So we're going to take our concealer. Mine is the Too Faced Sculpting Concealer. Put it right on your lash line, look up, and then fill in our half cut crease. My favorite brush for doing this is the Sigma F70 concealer brush. I do have a discount code for Sigma. It's Kelsey 30 for 30% off. It's always linked in the description box of every video. All of my discount codes are always linked in the description of every video. Now for the glitter in this look is really easy. It's the Stila Kitten Karma Glitter Glow eyeshadows. These things are freaking amazing. I need to get more. I just take it right off the applicator and apply it where that concealer is. Kitten Karma is a little bit of a rose gold, so it goes really well with this look because we've got that cranberry. But you could do a silver glitter or a gold glitter. They both look really good. Or Stila actually also has like a cranberry glitter. Ooh, that would look really good too. Okay, so I'm going to let that sit and dry for just a second, and then we're going to go back in with our blending brush and the lighter shade from the James Charles palette and just blend out that outer corner into the glitter. I like to start by tapping on top of it like this, and then start swirling just a little bit. And then I take my brush and rub it on a towel, get more pigment, because if you get that sticky glitter on there, you're not doing what you need to do. You want to make sure it's a dry shadow on your brush. And just kind of mesh these shades into each other a little bit. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is line my lower lash line with any black liner. This is one that we got in BOXYCHARM. And I'm going in with an angled e.l.f. brush and that James Charles shade, and I'm going to line my lower lash line, or smoke out my lower lash line, I should say. Really pretty. And then we're going in with, again, our CoverGirl liquid liner, and we're giving ourselves a cat wing. Okay, I am putting on, I'm going to go ahead and put on my lash. I believe they're Salon Perfect 105. Unedited right now, this entire video is 9 minutes long. That includes the introduction and unedited. So it just gives you an idea of how quick it is to do just one eye. It's not difficult at all, and I think this would be a really pretty look for you guys to wear on Christmas or even New Year's Eve. Honestly, you could always change the colors around just a little bit too. Basically, this is like a great go-to glam look, and it just depends on what colors you choose to make it, you know, festive. And I think cranberry is always good for Christmas, but it's also good for any other holiday, like, or not even a holiday, like any other time. Like, I'd wear this out to the bar. You guys, I can't wait until hopefully mid-January. I'm hoping I have more time to film. Like, I just miss you guys. I miss filming. I miss talking to you guys and just doing it. Like, I can't wait to get back into it. Regardless, the summer is going to be a great time because I have summers off no matter what. So that's just, I'm looking forward to summer to be able to just film and just do what I want to do. All right, you guys, that is it for the tutorial. So let me just close my eyes, give you a little look-see. It's really cute. I also think it would look good with a nude lip. I wanted to do a cranberry lip because I haven't worn a dark lip in like forever. But it would look really good with a nude lip too. I just think this is such a beautiful glittery look. You can never go wrong with glitter because when you take pictures and videos and stuff, it just glitters and shines and it's just so fun. So I hope that you guys enjoy this too because I use like the Morphe James Charles and Jaclyn, and these are popular palettes, so I'm sure a lot of you guys already have them. So this will be an easy look for you guys to do. Sorry, I hurt my tailbone, so like, ow, it hurts to like sit down, it hurts to do anything. Well, that is it. Again, hi and bye if I don't get to talk to you guys. I mean, either way, follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter. It's all Kelsey Alfred. I'm always on my social media. But worst comes to worst, I just won't have a video up for like about a week or a week and a half. But either way, I'll see you guys on my social media. Have a great holiday. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below and let me know what you're doing for the holiday because this will be up before Christmas. So leave me a comment and let me know what you're doing. Okay? I love you guys so much. I will talk to you guys down below. Bye.